Start over.
Yell something.
Hi, this is Terrence.
Yell Pikachu and the duck. Okay?
Pikachu!
How immature.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm sorry, wait for the door. You are here. I'm lifting myself off the ground. And starting the most powerful woman in the world.
We are so immature, but I love it.
Wait. How about you do it?
Are people looking?
Did you film that?
Yeah. Do it again. Yell a different word. Let's see, what other words are there? Yell flabbergast. Really, really loud. Do it.
Okay. Flabbergast!
The new episode of Just for Kids starts right now in Phoenix.
We are so
This is what we do in Colorado on our free time.
I can fly.
Watch out for the fan.
That was
That would I'd laugh.
A team of talented athletes bound together in the pursuit.
Let's check what everyone's doing down at the pool.
This is just a rough cut.
They never seem to be interested in your flabbergast. Okay.